Apples, have you ever seen anything like this at the zoo? Oh. Wow, all I can say is that marshmallow should be arrested for glittering. Have you ever seen a marshmallow sneeze glitter? And look at this guy. He jumped so high that if he had feet, he'd be wearing Air Force Ones. You're an apple, and that's fake and fruity. Get it? Air Force Ones? Still an apple, but you're an apple. You're an apple. Apple, 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 apple. Speaking of air, our next video is full of another type of gas. Laughing gas. Okay, now I have 2 fingers.
Actually, you don't have any fingers, Orange.
No fingers?
Oh, it's okay. You never had fingers.
So this guy's totally out of it. But what's even better is the ending. Hey, Pear.
Yes, Orange?
Airbag. Ooh, did you see that? Right to the face. He was all like, oh man, this is hilarious. I'm gonna show this on the... Ooh, surprise airbag. Now, I don't know about you, but I hate it when surprise airbag happens. You're just sitting there, minding your own business, when all of a sudden... Now, everybody's been sending me this next video, so let's just cut to the chase. So there's this news story about this fruit that almost gets killed, but that's not the good part. This is. He's climbing in windows, chopping people up, chopping. So you better hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, because he's slicing everybody out there. You don't have to come and confess, we're looking for you, we're gonna find you, we're gonna find you. You can run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that, night. Whoa, that guy's crazy. I'd hate to have him on my bad side. He'd probably give me a fruit punch. So what do you get when you cross a unicorn, an orange, and a rainbow? A fruit with a rainbow unibrow. Lame. Not only that, you get our last video. Hey, Charlie, hey! Hey, Charlie, wake up! It's a rainbow!
God, you guys. Better be pretty freaking important. Is the kitchen on fire again?
Yeah! We have to go get the pot of gold! Come on! The pot of gold at the end of the rainbow! Let's go!
Pot of gold. Sure. I'm going back to sleep now.
No, Charlie! You have to get up and take us to the rainbow!
Please stop jumping on me.
Yeah! I want my pot of gold, Charlie! Let's go! Hurry!
I love rainbows, and puppies, and kittens, and flowers, and rainbows, and clouds, and bunnies, and rainbows!
Alright, fine. I'll go with you to see the rainbow.
Wow! Rainbows have magical powers. But you know what else has magical powers? Our comment question of the day, which comes from a user named Rockin' Rutabaga. Like, if you were stuck on an island with one fruit, who would it be and why? Who would it be and why? Leave your interesting or creative responses in the comment section. Thanks for watching today's episode of Equals Annoying Orange. I'm Annoying Orange, and I approve this burp. So tell me, apples, if elephants are microwaves, what are alligators?
Juicy, if you roll straight